what's up? This is Blaze the Movie Fan, and unfortunately, when I closed my channel earlier this year, a lot of my videos disappeared for good. Thousands of them. And unfortunately, there is no way to get them back. I do regret nuking my main channel. And that includes thousands of movie reviews which I made over the years. I decided that this weekend I'm gonna remake two of these reviews which I made this year. And that is on a Minecraft movie and A Working Man. Two of some of the worst movies of the year. So you know what? Let's have some fun tearing a bad movie apart. This is my review of A Working Man. So basically, some innocent person gets kidnapped and some badass guy that kicks a lot of ass goes fucking chasing the people responsible for the kidnapping. Yeah, it's as cliche as it sounds. I'm gonna talk about Levon Kate, played by Jason Statham. I'm gonna have to be honest with you, for the most part I don't think Jason Statham is a good actor. I mean, don't get me wrong, he's a great action star for sure. When it comes to kicking a lot of ass and making it look fun, he is brilliant at that. But when it comes to his acting abilities, yeah, for the most part he isn't a good actor. He is essentially the same character in every movie he's in. I know that's very common for actors, but it is a problem with him especially, since that character is just a guy who kicks a lot of ass and there isn't much else to him. And unfortunately, yeah, Levon Kate is exactly kind of a character we would expect from a Jason Statham movie. He's just some bear who kicks a lot of ass and there is nothing else to him. Now I'm gonna talk about his daughter, Mary Kate, played by Isla Guy. Honestly, I have no problem with that character. She's a great character and well written. The only thing about this movie which is well written, unfortunately, the connection between father and daughter is fucking wonderful. And I can tell that she's a good girl, and yeah, I can't see why those two love each other. Now normally I would talk about a third character, but there is no third character to talk about. Wanna know why? Because honestly, nearly everything about this movie is poorly written, and that includes the rest of the characters. There really is no main villain to care about. There is no main villain that stands out and is memorable. Literally all of the bad guys in this movie are just faceless entities and are just something for Levon to kill. And that's about it. There isn't anything else to them. Now, I wanna state something about this movie. This movie is fun, undoubtedly. Seeing Jason Statham kicking a lot of ass is fun, and he's great at that. But unfortunately, fun doesn't mean it's a good movie. It is a fun movie, but it's still poorly written. And the writing and the characters are the most important aspects of a movie. So yeah, it's fun without a doubt, but it's not a good movie though. I wouldn't call it so bad that it's good either, because it's being fun is intentional, I can tell. But yeah, outside of that, this isn't a good movie, and one of the worst of the year. And for that I'm of course going to give the rating 2 middle fingers. Well guys, you reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.